Hi guys, it's DK388. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the Blink Mini 2K Plus indoor camera. We've got two versions today, one's a black one and a white one, so we take a deeper dive into both. This is the third generation of the Blinky indoor cameras with a 2K resolution, and as a competitor we're going to also look at the Tapo 2K, which seems to be the nearest rival at a similar price point. And then, as mentioned before, this is the third generation, so we're going to also do a bit of a comparison on the first generation Blink Mini, the original one with a 1080p camera. There was a generation 2 which was a facelift version with the same body but still the same 1080p camera resolution. So yeah, let's get this unboxed and have a closer look. So this one does have some AI features, which is available on the subscription plan. And then just looking at it, we got like a 138 degree field of view, 2K camera, AI, audio, all that stuff. So let's get this unboxed. So first thing, we got a Type C and a Type A USB cable, a very generous amount, just under 2 meters compared to the original model. We also have a Blink Mini handbook, and then we also got the plug charger brick. And UK, this is the UK version with the slide out 3-pin, and then the actual camera itself. Very good looking modern camera. This is the facelift version, similar to, well, pretty much the same as the generation 2. The built-in spotlight, and at the back you got the Type C power input. And side by side, looking at the original Gen 1, as you can see, dimensionally there's probably very little in it. Cosmetically, I think the Gen 2 facelift, or the Gen 3 facelift, is much more modern, appealing, and also like the less of the gloss black face, so it's more in keeping, it blends into the background if you've got like a white wall. And for comparison, this is the original plug. As you can see, a bit disappointed with the Gen 3 plug. It's a bit of a sort of grown in size. I thought they might be keeping it the same, like a slimline version. But you do get a generous amount of cable. This is probably a question people might ask, is can the cradle from the third generation still fit on the first generation? So let's find out. So as usual, you just use a bit of elbow grease to unplug it, and then it just snaps on. So thankfully you can use the same cradle on the first generation on the new cameras. And then we'll do the same sort of physical comparison with the Tapo. So it's a slightly bigger beast. Similar like the original first gen, it's still got a gloss black face, and I think the third generation body facelift is much more appealing and blends into the more of a indoor theme with the white walls. Slightly bigger camera body and base, still same swivel and tilt you get, probably just slightly bit more wider degree with it being slightly tall as well, so you get that greater angles, but a bit disappointed with the power brick as well. Black cable, universal power brick. So that's that. But one disappointment is the Tapo app. If you do have a second user, if you've got like a partner and you leave the sort of your house at different times, the second user can't activate or disable or alter any of the settings. Like the Blinky app, you have full admin rights on both users on the Blinky app, so that's not a problem. So that's probably a bit of a downside on the Tapo app. And here we're just going to do some night mode testing. I'll leave some video stats on the top left just to see the 2K and what the technical video makeup is, settings. And as you can see, I think first impressions is how crisp and clear the images, and also you can see the wide angle view, so it makes it ideal for placing into a corner of a room. As you can see, you can get a far greater degree of visibility. And this is with the new feature you don't get in the original, which is the spotlight, so you can do colour night vision, as you can see in this test. And I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.